Hey guys, have you been looking for dispenser keys? I mean, really, dispenser keys? Soap dispenser keys? Look at, I've got a whole set from bluedogkeys.com. These are wonderful. I figured you guys needed to know this information because where do you get this stuff? Now, it comes with some paperwork, thank goodness, of all the dispensers that these will fit. bluedogkeys.com. It says, I'll just read their information. 16 key dispenser assortments. Your BDKS dispenser assortment includes one of each of the keys shown on this page. That's good to know. Your cost of each key is shown on this page. So if you're to buy them all separate, they're right around $3 a piece in 2025. Well, that's not bad. I wouldn't mind spending that. If I need a key to get in my dispenser, I mean, where are you going to go? Just buy the whole kit of 16 keys. Great keys. Let's get a close-up look. I don't think we did that, did we? No, not yet. Let's get a close-up look. bluedogkeys.com. Here's the paperwork that comes with the keys. So you're not lost. You'll have the dispensers they go to. And there's bluedogkeys.com is where you're going to get these. Here's the keys close up. You've seen some of these keys, I'm sure, laying around, kind of lost to know where to put them, right? You might have them on top of a dispenser all by itself or in the dispenser. Who knows where you put your keys? If you've lost your keys, go to bluedogkeys.com. Hey guys, looks like it's that time for you to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and tell your friends. Now here's the set. I've got it posted on my community post. All the keys, and if you just touch, you'll see what they go to. And there's the keys close up. Didn't want you to get lost, so I put them in several places. Plus, I'm shooting this video. Look at these cool keys. Wow, every dispenser key known to man. Those are great keys. They're about $3 a piece if you don't buy them on this set. Now, can you cut them on generic code? Well, no. Don't think so. I mean, how would you cut a key like this? Isn't that cool? So please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and get these keys from bluedogkeys.com. Great stuff. I figured you needed to know where to get this stuff. I haven't found any place on YouTube that talks about dispenser keys. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future. Yeah. Go to my channel, you're going to see the word post. Now this might be hidden depending on the device you're using. So you're going to touch that post and you're going to see all my posts. I've spent hours putting together posts, guys. Now you're going to scroll down till you go past a wrench, basically, right there. That pliers. And the rest is all Blue Dog keys. And you have a hot link that takes you straight to Blue Dog Keys. Look at this. Oh, this is wonderful. So hopefully this has been helpful, guys.